So today I will be making a stew with cow leg. So, oh my God, what's that noise all about? Anyways, guys, so I'm going to the African store to see. I don't know. I've been looking for where I can get a cow leg here. I don't know. So I want to get to this African store to get a few things, and from there I'll be going to Leclerc to go and buy some tomatoes. And anyways, guys, just come with me. Come with me. I would definitely take you guys along. The weather is so cold. Like, we are supposed to be in spring and it's very, very cold. Even though there is sun, but it's still cold. So guys, let's see if I will get. Oh my God, the way the weather is, I'm just okay, guys. Let me see. Yeah, I need to ask them if okay. Oh, this okra is so fresh. I think I will be buying. Oh,
The okra.
yeah,
Very, very fresh.
yeah, it's very fresh. Good afternoon. I don't know. Do they even sell? Please, do you think they sell cow leg? Eh? What's cow leg in French?
I am from Deutschland.
Do you serve cow leg?
Yeah, cow leg. It's one shop. We have two shops.
Okay. So that's what they have, guys.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Are you doing a
Video. No, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, so I do. Yeah, exactly.
Are you active on Instagram?
Yeah.
I am currently. I'm in Deutschland. I'm getting this.
Okay, you don't live here. You live in Deutschland.
Yeah.
Wow. Kel, yeah. So then, what did you come to Strasbourg?
They have African things. They have to come like
They don't have African things in Kel.
Can't get this.
Wow. Oh my God. I don't know.
Pepper there.
That means we enjoy, guys. So this, she said we can get this kind of pepper in Kel. So she came all the way from Germany to come and shop in Strasbourg. So we are. Oh my God. So I want to buy some okra. I think this is enough because I will be making okra with the buka stew. So that I think it's enough. So what else do I want to buy? Let me buy a little plantain for the girls. Let's see. I want to buy. Is this Titus fish? This fish look. So I'll be buying. Why is it looking somehow like this? I need just one. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. So 12 euros. So guys, so they said I need to go to their next shop to buy the cow leg. Yeah. So let's go. So now I spent 12 euros. Oh my God. The way things are getting expensive now. 12 euros on just one fish, plantain, okra, and pepper. 12 euros gone. Mr. Pai, are you okay? God. It's yeah, okay, I think it's yeah. Bonjour. So let's see if okay. I think bonjour. So do you have a cow leg? Okay, so guys, they have it. Combien? How much?
It's 650.
Okay. You do cut it?
Yeah.
Hey, it's big. Oh. It's 650.
650.
Yeah.
650. I'm 650 cents.
Oh my goodness. 650. Yeah, they connect to phone, yeah. Wow, this one are big. Oh, hey. Yeah, different the small one. The one way cheaper there, so it depends on what you want. Yeah.
Where my
Sir,
pictures first?
thank you, sir.
My pictures, where that?
Give me Jara.
Where my pictures?
Once you give me extra, you get your picture.
Like when
I posted everything on your Facebook for the church. I think maybe you did not see it. I posted all the pictures I took. Yeah. Once you add the Jara to it, add extra.
Safe. I went to underground from Peru. That been to
Oh, thank you, sir. Don't worry. Yeah, okay. Even are you coming to church next week Sunday? You're coming this Sunday.
yeah.
I'll purposely bring the camera because of you.
But you don't come follow.
Yeah, because of work. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, sometimes. This is well, that's the
I still make it with people connect.
plenty. Okay, God. I for just buy two. I don't know that it's this much. Thank you, sir.
Those first one, the three will be like this.
Ah, this one is big. Ah, thank you, sir. So, guys, I'm done. And after cutting it, it was a lot. You know, when I was in my village, and anytime I buy this cow leg, it's so small. So I normally buy like two for me and the girls. Anytime I want to cook cow leg, I normally buy two because it's so small. So, and when I got it, I decided to buy three since I'm giving mommy too. And I thought it would be small. Look at, after cutting it, it's a lot. Anyways, I normally remove the bone, so, but still, I'm not sure I'll be cooking everything at once because it's expensive. So that theory is like, and the funniest thing is, it's the same price. In my village, it's even more expensive. Cow leg in my village is like, I think we used to buy one for like 7 or 8 euros then, and it's so small. So I used to buy two. And this one is 6050. So the theory is like 20 euros. So I'll be cooking everything, and I'll probably like, put some in the fridge, and we'll see. I will show you guys. So right now I'm done at the gas central. I'm going to Leclerc now to. Yeah, people are smiling. So I'm on my way to Leclerc now. There's these tomatoes I normally buy. It's only Leclerc they have it. So I want to buy some tomatoes, and I need to buy plastic since I'm going to give mommy some food. So I need to like buy a plastic where I will be putting it. So I probably might be cooking rice because their kind of rice is different from my own kind of rice. You know, the kind of rice I normally cook, it's like all this kind of Nigerian rice, and they love it. But them, they used to cook, oh my God. So I will be buying my kind of rice, and I'll probably be cooking rice with it. And we shall see. It's raining now, and I need to stop vlogging because this camera is not waterproof. So see you guys once I'm in the Leclerc.
Niveau -4. Level -4. Niveau -4. Ouverture des portes.
So guys, I'm in the shopping mall now. I'm walking to Leclerc. My bag. Oh, I need this. And then like, yes, I'll be getting this. So I think I will look for this kind of small. No, this one is still big. Yeah, I think this one is not bad. Yeah, and it's just about €1. So I'll take one of this one, guys. This one is not bad. This is the kind of tomatoes. This kind of tomatoes I normally buy. So this is the kind of rice I do eat. Let's see. This rice looks like Nigerian rice, but they don't have the nylon. The one I normally buy it's always inside the nylon. So guys, I'm back. So I got this one for mommy and one for me, and got for my toast. I got a few things. And look at the meat. It's a lot. I'm home. Okay. Yes. Yeah, so guys, I will be making plantain, like cook plantain for the girls for dinner, plantain and egg. I'm not sure I'll be eating it because I feel like drinking gari with grilled fish. So I bought a fish, and I'll be drinking gari with that. But I want to cook plantain. I will be cooking this plantain, right? Plantain, then, but and then frying egg with it for the girls. So let's start. So guys, the girls' food is ready. So they're having plantain with egg. So, but me, I'm not. I don't. I don't want this. So I'm grilling fish. I want to take fish and gari. So this is the fish I'll be using with eating with just gari. So that's what I want for my own dinner. Fish and with gari. This is what I'm craving for for dinner. And it's so cold though, but still. I like fish, make some small sauce, and the girls are having their plantain and egg. Yeah, she's done. Rachel is done. You want more? What?
I want only egg.
Want only egg? Okay. Guys, good morning, guys. It's another beautiful day. So today is Wednesday. The girls are not going to school. I used to tell you guys that every Wednesday there's no school in France. So they always go to school Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And today is mommy's birthday. Today is mommy Cecilia's birthday. So I told you all yesterday that I need to cook for her. So I'll be cooking buka stew with some cow leg I bought yesterday. You all saw that. So we just woke up now and I need to start preparing it because I should be there by 6. So come with me, guys. As you can see, so guys, I just bought this blender. This is I love this brand, and I've been like, wanted to buy the blender, but it's so expensive. And I saw it at a very discount price. It's like a refurbished, like, I think it got spoiled and they repair something like that. And normally I think the real price is like 150 or something. So I got it at it's half price, about 80 euros. I was so happy because I've always loved this blender because I have the hair fryer. So this is the air fryer. This is my hair fryer. I just have to put it there so that we all can use it in this house. So because I love this brand, so that's why I've been like saving money to buy the blender. So I want to use it, and I just hope it work because it's not really brand new. So the kit comes with the manual, and so let's see now and let's pray it work, guys. I just bought it out from the pack. I picked it up a few days ago. So let's see now if it's going to work. And the good thing is there is warranty. So they gave me like 6 months, I think, more than 6 months warranty on it. So if it's not working, I can return it back. I'm so happy that I got it at a half price, 80 euros. You know how this blender is so powerful. Me that I like beans cake akara. So I can blend. And the blender is so powerful. I was using this at mommy's house. Mommy have this kind of blender, and it's when I use it, I was like, no, I want to buy blender, and I'm getting it. So I'm so happy that I saw it at half price. So now let's test it. Let's try it. I just hope it will work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I think it's like okay. Yeah. And let me add a little bit of water. Like I said, guys, this is my first time of using it. Just have to set it. No. Yep. In the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. I think it's work. Let me move closer so that you guys can see. Yeah, I think it's work. I think it's work. It's work. It's work. Okay, hello. Bear. Guys, it works. I'm so excited. Wow. Oh. Look at how it's like this blender is so good, guys. It's very good, you know. Wow. Okay. So guys, I normally had this tomato. I love it so well. I normally add it to my sauce. So I blended some fresh tomatoes here, and also I always mix with this one. I'm making a lot of soup because, like I said, I'm giving mommy, so that's why it's plenty like this. I need to get a bigger pot. Okay. I've been cooking this cow leg for like more than 4 hours now. This is one thing I don't like about it. Like, oh my god, I have to cook and cook and cook and cook and cook. Guys, guess who is calling me? Let me put her for loudspeaker so that you guys will hear her voice. Oh, they call me on video call. I don't know. Okay, yes, I don't even know because my phone was down because I was cooking. Hey guys, our UK nurse, the people that is collecting UK money. If you are going through a lot, just bill her, guys. Bill her.
And then bill me, I'm here for life.
The people that is collecting UK money. I don't even say it does switch to video call because the phone was down. So no, I don't know. I don't because it was in my pocket and I was listening to music. So as your call came here, I just pick it and did not check. You like it? You like the iPad? It's so sweet. Like guys, I was telling if you are a content creator, just try and edit it on the iPad. I don't feel edit on my phone anymore. Hey guys, so we are almost done. Let me see guys, my cow leg soup is almost done. Hey guys, it's almost ready. So we are done now. We are heading to mommy's place. I had to be so fast, you know, time runs so fast, eh? Okay, girls, follow me, let's go. So, I did not forget mommy's food, and I brought my camera too, because in case she wants to take some pictures. So, see you all when we get there. Michelle, how many minutes is the E coming? It's coming in 2 minutes. Okay. I didn't even have time to do makeup, guys. I had to rush. I did not do any